Hey guys, it's Wayne again, and I'm here with another video, but this time I have some help. I'd like to introduce you guys to Taylor.
Hey guys!
All right, so Taylor's going to show you how to put a Kirby belt on a Kirby, and so if you're interested in that, stick around. All right.
Hey guys, we're back, and today I am going to teach you how to put the belt back in, reassemble it, and put it back into your Kirby. I'm going to be completely honest, I've probably only ever replaced a belt on my own like 2 or 3 times in my 19 years of life. So, you're in for a treat. So what we're going to do is, well, my dear friend Wayne already disassembled it for me because, you know, can't do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our Kirby belt back on, and we're just going to slide it right here in the middle. And most of our Kirbys here do have these little 1, 2, 3s, little notches, and that is for your bristles. And right here I have a new brush, and as you can see the difference between them, this one is very brand new, and this one is it's still got some life left in her, so we're going to use her and just show you that. So since it is fairly used, what we're going to do is put it on the number 2 setting over here. And so we're going to put it there, and don't forget to check the sides of your Kirbys. As you can see, one side is bigger than the other. And so what we're going to do is just match up those puzzle pieces so that they fit pretty well. Let's see. I want to see. Ooh, I'm already dropping stuff. So I've got it in the right area. So what I'm going to do is slide it in there. Boom. So I got it in there, thank God. Surprised I could even do that. And then we'll put our grill piece back on, and you want to start from this top part. So you want to put that piece back in. So that is on, and then I'm gonna hit these two. Ooh, maybe not. There it is. So now I'm gonna hit these 2 flaps down here. So now that is completely on. And the next part is probably not my favorite part, just because I'm 122 pounds and I am not strong and I cannot lift anything. But Wayne has showed me a couple little tricks that I'm going to share with you guys. So one of them is to flip this flap open and grab it by this handle and kind of like wiggle it around. Use this as leverage. Boom. If I, as a 122-pound, 19-year-old girl can do this, you can too. Just letting you know. Sometimes if it is a little bit hard, just spraying it with some multi-purpose lubricant right down here in the center always does the trick. Just right in there. That helps a lot. And the other way that I'd like to show you guys today is just flipping it around, putting it over like that. That one is a little bit harder for me because there are no muscles over here. So I like the first method the best. So now we are going to put the whole thing back onto this Kirby. Alrighty. So, like I said earlier, most of this stuff pretty much is a puzzle piece. So what I want you to kind of look for is this little doodad right over here, and we're going to connect this piece down right in here, and we're kind of going to lift up a little bit. We want to make sure that we get that corner piece in, and kind of like that. Flip it around town, and if I can do it, you can too. And then putting it back around, closing that up. Boom! I can do it. anybody can do it. And that's how you do it.